Hello, welcome to the video. So, the other day, my friend Tony, also known as a Random Jedi, sent me a DM asking me to build him a keyboard, and also Happy New Year's. I replied with, Happy New Year's, and yeah, for sure. He said he wanted clicky switches, 60% keyboard, and he told me to choose the colors. Considering his price point, I figured the best thing for him would be a classic Kailh box Jades for the switches, and then I also persuaded him into getting a 65% because I feel like it's kind of just better than 60 in a lot of ways. And he was like, yeah, sure, that sounds better. Keycaps were just some things off Amazon. Same ones, actually, as from my last video, just a different color. And the board was the Boyi GMK67. I was going to go with the aluminum, but he said he liked the blue one more, so we went that instead. I'm not usually a huge fan of clicky switches, except for some, but I kind of like how this one sounds. So stick around and see what you think. Anyway, have fun. Hey, just a quick editor's note. I ended up switching from the dielectric grease to just normal Krytox on the wires themselves because it was just far too goopy. There's a decent chance I did it wrong, but yeah. Thomas.
Holy shit.
Don't feel my toes.
Oh shit.
So this is the board. Bye.